Throughout my young entrepreneurial journey, I've been forced to find the most efficient ways of getting shit done. And along the way, I have found some hacks that have helped me to be able to be as proactive as possible. Now, a lot of people will say, especially online, you have to wake up at 5 a.m, you have to go on a run, you have to jump in an ice bath, and sure, maybe it helps them feel better about themselves and allows them to carry on with their day. But is it gonna help you? See, I've tried all these hacks and tips and tricks to be able to increase workflow and make more money. And the truth is that 99% of it is all bullshit. Now, we all know that this opportunity that I'm presenting to you right now, AI OnlyFans models, will never be as lucrative as it is right now. So what I'm gonna do is give you 5 things that will help you be able to make $10,000 per month with AI models. So let me take you back to about 1840, 1850-ish. We're in the US, in California. What went on here is something called the California Goldrush. People literally traveled and risked their lives so that their family could have a better life, because they discovered that California was an absolute gold mine, if you will. And basically, gold was just popping up left, right, and center. People were becoming filthy rich from it. I'm not saying that this is as prevalent as that. However, I am saying that you have to admit that this opportunity in itself, if you look at it from an external perspective, there's no way you can say that this does not have that same potential that that gold rush would have had, and the amount of millionaires, billionaires that were created. I'm not saying to risk your life and travel across deserts and, starve to death. However, how many more opportunities are you going to let pass simply because you cannot be asked to take action? I just want you to ask yourself that one simple question. The first thing you're going to need is either time or money. Now, these are interchangeable. So if you don't have time, then you should have money. If you don't have money, then you should have time. And you can use your money to make you more time as such by using staff, services, certain things to basically speed up the process and automate your business for you. Whereas if you don't have money, you should have enough time to be able to leverage your own time to make these things happen. Now, if you claim that you have neither of these things, then you're either lying or making excuses. And to be honest, business is probably not for you anyway. Stop making excuses. If you don't have either of these, I'd seriously question what you're doing with either your money or your time or both. So the second thing you're going to need is access to information. We live in such a beautiful age where you're watching this on YouTube and you can literally find out anything about any business, not just mine. Anyone who teaches business online is going to be teaching everything to do with that business. Therefore, you can find out everything you need for completely free. The main struggle is that when people try to become educated on a business that they're not educated on, they struggle to find information that they don't even know exists, if that makes sense. If you don't know information exists about a business, then how are you meant to find it? Because you don't know that it fucking exists. So that leads me quite nicely onto number 3. The number 3 is your network. Now, they say your network is your net worth, and they are absolutely correct. Now, the thing about network is not only does it allow you to apply competitive research 100% easier, but also allows you to team up and partner up with people in the same sector as you and share information and value to each other. Probably thinking, where do I even find a network like this? Well, because I'm so nice, I do have a free network, which I will leave in the description. It is a Telegram link, so go down there and join that and start networking with people. Number 4 is preparing yourself for losses. Now, obviously, you're starting a business and you're not a fucking idiot. You know that you're going to take losses. However, because our industry is so untapped, there is certain new rules and regulations that are coming in every single day. For example, you may scale up an Instagram account to 100k followers. Now, that's quite an achievement. However, you may accidentally break an regulation of Instagram's and then get that account banned. Now, that is a loss that you're just going to have to take on the chin, and you're going to have to prepare yourself for that. And that is just one example of something that can come to fruition when it comes to making losses. So the 5th and final thing that you're going to need when starting your own business is the correct guidance. Now, unfortunately, in this niche that we're talking about here, it is going to be difficult to find the correct guidance because there is only a certain amount of people talking about this business, myself being the main one, most likely. So unfortunately,
you're very limited when it comes to options. But that is also part of being part of a blue ocean model, such as AI models. Because there's so limited people involved, there's less competition, so therefore you're at an advantage, even though there is less coaches in the space. However, that being said, a coach will have made certain mistakes that you don't want to make, and they will just prevent you from making those mistakes. So they've been through hundreds of different steps, tried hundreds of different things, and made all the mistakes that you don't want to make and you don't want to waste time making. So therefore, coaches just save you a shit ton of time when it comes to actually starting that business.
So as promised, I hope I have helped you avoid some of the key mistakes that people make when starting AI models or just business in general. Now, in this particular video, I did not go over the basics of the business model itself. Well, that is exactly what the channel is packed full of. Hundreds of videos telling you exactly how to start your AI model, how to market that model, and how to finally make money with that model, which is what we all want, right? As well as free help, I do also offer a course. This is just give you more structured information and more in-depth information than I can offer for free, and also a mentorship program as well. So if any of those things interest you, be sure to check out the description, go to my Instagram and message me there.